loves, welcome back to my channel. How are you, darlings? For those of you that are stopping by for the very first time, my name is Fumi Desalu-Vold. I'm a mother, a wife, and I am a complete and total makeup addict. So today we are going to review and try for the first time a couple of new beauty products. The first is the Morphe foundation. Yes, darlings, I finally got my hands on this. We have Morphe in the UK now. Yes, we do, darlings. So I ordered this online and I ordered the F5.80. So I hope this is very close to my complexion. We are going to try this. Yes, my loves. Then also, guess what? Anastasia Beverly Hills sent me some products. The new brow gel, darling. So we're going to try and update these brows with the new brow gel. So excited. Yes. And then last but not least, Yves Saint Laurent has come out with high cover concealer. Yes, darlings, 16 shades, very diverse, and we have our shade, honey. I'm going to show you swatches of everything. So without any further ado, let us start. I am going to take the all-in-one Too Cool for School Egg Mellow Cream. It is absolutely gorgeous, and I use this as a primer. Okay, so I'm going to put this in. Love it. I have a mirror right here. Let me see what I'm doing. Yeah, it's a bit smudged. And I'm using the monitor as well. Okay, Then I'm going to take a brush, a face brush, stippling brush. I am so addicted to this brush. This is the NYX number 3 stippling brush, and it just does it for me. I don't know what to tell you guys. So I'm going to take the little cap off right here. Morphe came out with 60 shades. 60 shades. It retails in London here for £16. I don't know what it is. Oh, that spat right out. I don't know what that is. It looks interesting, doesn't it? I'm sure it will all work out in the end. So I'm going to put some here. That's it. Yeah. So that should be enough, right? That should be enough. And then we're just going to stipple that in. Yeah, it's a bit red. But remember, I told you I bought it online, and apparently it's supposed to be full coverage. It's supposed to be magical. And you know me, I love full coverage. It looks quite red. So yes, guys, this is what we have. What do we think? I think it's a tad red, but it seems to be okay-ish. I'm wearing a white t-shirt, so I don't know. But it is full coverage. And I love a full coverage, and it's matte. So yes, darlings, let us go on to the next stage. I do like it. Let me just kind of, yeah, that's right. And don't forget the ears. Okay, not so bad, not so bad. It is full coverage though. That I'll tell you. Boom, 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 boom. I'm so grateful to Yves Saint Laurent. They sent me the Touché High Cover Concealer. This is a brand new product, my darlings. Remember the Touché with the pen, pump pen? Well, they have come out with a concealer, darlings. Yes, and it is out right now. It retails for £26. I don't know how much it will be in the US, but you guys check this out. I tried one the other day and I kind of sort of liked it. And they also have 16 diverse shades, with the darkest being the 9. I'm swatching some for you guys so that you guys can see. Darkest is a 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 5.5, and it goes on and on. But I wanted to swatch those ones for you so that you guys could have an idea of what it looked like. And you know, you can use the concealer also to spot correct if you don't want to wear like a full coverage foundation, just on your little imperfections, and that is fine. So we are going to go, let me think. Let me try a 7 first, just to see what we're working with. Yeah, okie dokie. So here's the pen, and you just pump it like so. Love this, it's so easy. And you just, you know, do little scratches around the eye like so. I think I put too much on there, so I'm going to put some over here. There you go. Yeah. And this is for that girl that wants a little bit more coverage. I definitely do. I have not slept 6 straight hours since Adrian has been born. I'm not complaining, but I'm telling you, do I need it? Yeah, definitely. So that's it. And I like it because you can just put it in your bag and you can go. So let's just dab a loops and see what kind of coverage we get here. Okay, Okay. So it doesn't dry down that quickly. That's good. That's good. It gives you a minute to do your rounds. Yummy tea, yum yum. Yeah, I like that. Yes, I like that a lot. I even like the foundation. So I'm going to just set this and see how that turns out. Oh, I like it. Yeah. My hair grew when I was pregnant. Yeah. And so did my brows. And these have been kind of like the thickest ever. Okay, I like it. Very good job, Saint Laurent. I like it, I like it, I like it, I like it a lot. All right, moving on. Now we're going to go to the brow queen of them all. And here she has a full set of brow gels. Brow gels, that's the only way I can describe them. All kinds of shades. They will be out on the 4th of March online, and I think in stores on the 7th of March. And before I continue, I forgot. Anastasia, she sent these coasters. Just look at how beautiful they are. I think like this is kind of like my brow once I get it done. And then she sent us 3 of them. So here you have yet another one. Let me turn it this way. And this is silver. And then you have the third. And I just thought that was just so chic, so classy, you know, of ABH. So thank you very much, Novina. Thank you very much, Anastasia, Beverly Hills. It is a DipBrow Gel. It is a perfect combination of the DipBrow and the brow gel. Pigmented full coverage, waterproof, smudge proof, 11 shades, fully matte colors that match our DipBrow pomade from the same family of waterproof, full coverage, long wearing. Available in 2 sizes, and it retails for $18 for the bigger size, and the small size will be $9. And you have taupe, blonde, caramel, soft brown, chocolate, medium brown, dark brown, ash brown, ebony, granite, and urban. Urban is a favorite. I love that. So I'm going to start with the dark brown. Okay, and I'm just going to you know, graze it up because I'm really all about really natural brows these days, and I kind of just clean it up so that it can really pop off. So let's see what it looks like. Yeah, so you just gradually lift it up into like so, which I'm already loving. Yes, do you see? Yes. So let us see on the other side. You can actually see the difference. Yeah, so let me do it again here. Just light strokes. Yes. Ah, I love it, I love it, I love it. Good job, ABH. Good job. This is nice. This is nice. This is a good product. Okay, so you know what we're going to do? I love this. I'm going to clean up the edges. So I'm going to take my Juvia's Place brush. Can you see the angled? Fantastic. They make the best brushes. I've said this 100 times. Discount code Fumi, and I'm going to use my, oh, what is this called again? This is the MAC Pro Conceal and Correct palette. I have it in dark, and I'm just going to use it. You can see I've hit pan on this, and I'm just going to clean up the brow real quick. Okay, and then I just clean it up like so. See? And then what I'm going to do, I'm going to use a little bit of the DipBrow pomade and just sharpen the edge. Yeah? See? Yes. And then do it at the other end. That's it. That's it. That's it. Love it. Love it. I love how natural it looks. So guys, these are the products. So I'm going to quickly do my makeup, and then we are going to find out what is F.D.V approved and what is not. Okay? See you soon. So guys, do we love the final look? I am living for it. I will tell you right now, the Morphe foundation is gorgeous. I love it. This isn't exactly my color, but it worked. But I love the mattification of it. Is that a word? I love the mattification of it because I have got terribly oily skin and girlfriend is looking kind of sort of snatched. It does work. I love it. As for the Yves Saint Laurent high cover concealer, it's a must have. I mean, you know, if you have that extra money, take it. You don't need to eat. Everybody wants to look fabulous for the summer. So take out of your grocery money and put into your beauty money. Yes, darlings, you're going to live for it. Anastasia Beverly Hills is the queen of brows. Never doubt somebody when they say queen, you know, because she got this to the T. This is my go-to. I used to have all kinds of steps. Do the front, feather the edges, do the middle. No more. I loved this. I was pleasantly surprised. And that was my motivation, just to kind of look snatched at the end of the day. Saint Laurent, absolutely F.D.V approved. I loved it. It wasn't too much, but it was just enough. With just looking gorgeous without having those kind of raccoon eyes, it worked. Yes. Anastasia Beverly Hills. I used this. I used the dark brown. And again, like I said, just look at the brow. So much more natural and not heavy. I loved this. And then the foundation was gorgeous. So mattifying. Just look at it. I like to feel like you're looking at skin. You know what I mean? This worked. I adored it very, very much. So, Ula, darling?
Is it F.D.V approved?
They are all F.D.V approved. Alright guys, I'll see you in the next episode. Thank you so much for watching. And leave all of your comments down in the comment section below. Don't forget to like, to subscribe, and hit the notification button. Alright? Ula and Adrian, say goodbye.
Goodbye.
Goodbye, my loves. I hope you enjoyed it. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.